everyone, magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Welcome or welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Farm to Video. This is the way sa ngayong araw ay nandito tayo sa bayan ng Atimunan, Quezon. Meron tayong isa-side na property. Actually, hindi talaga isa-side. Bali parang papahapyawan lang ng konti. So, ang property is mga nasa 8,000 square meters lang. Ang property is katipunan ng national boundaries. Meron itong mga 80 meters more or less na frontage. So mula dyan sa puno na yan na may bawal ang basura dito hanggang doon sa may poste doon. So ayun lang ang property natin. As you can see, tabi lang mismo siya ng kalsada. And papasok doon yung property. I think hindi rin masyadong karamihan yung puno ng niyog dito. Maybe mga less than 50. Yeah, so I think ang pinaka purpose lang nitong property is investment for, like, for example, if you want to, let's say, build or establish like a fast food or your own restaurants or something like that. I think that's the only thing that you can do. I'm not sure kung anong puno ang tawag dito. Basta yung flower niya is yung parang yung rainbow tingnan. Or hindi ko rin malilibot yung property. Although I can see here from this view na may pagka-slope yung property from here. It's not like very slopey. Siguro mga nasa 45 degrees yung angle niya, if I am not mistaken, if tama yung measurement ko. Forgive me if not. Forgive me if I'm wrong. But, yeah, that's actually the property. Ano lang siya? 8,000 square meters, so it's not really that big. And again, the only thing that I can say about this property is maganda siya since katabi lang siya mismo ng kalsada. And siguro mga nasa 1 kilometer away lang from the property, town proper of Atimunan. So that's it, I think. Ayan, meron lang matataas na ligaw na puno or damo. Again, I don't really know kung anong tawag sa puno na to, pero ayan yung nasa pinaka front niya, yung colorful yung parang rainbow yung flower. Again, yung puno ng nyug dito is sobrang konti lang. Kasi bilang na bilang siguro mga nasa less than 50. Or not even sure if it's like more than 20, to be honest with you guys. So anyway, this is how it looks like. Okay, let me just go to the other side of the road. Ayan, again, from there hanggang dyan sa part niya. Okay, again, this is actually good for like investments for, establishing like a building or let's say a restaurant, fast food, whatever, since it's close to, or it's kind of close to the town proper, so it's very accessible and very convenient. And katabi lang siya mismo ng kalsada. So, yeah. Again, I told you guys naman na papahapyawan lang natin. So, I think that's it for today. If you have any questions, just let me know. Or contact the phone numbers on the upper right side of the video. Again, this is Louis, one of your site leaders today. Thank you so much and see you on our next video. Bye!